Alright, we're back in case we lost you. I don't know, folks. These folks over here, they, Ethan and Luke come over here, have been over here before, or they've come over. He also helps me out. He's a good guy. There's this guy right here on the side here where the trash can is, with the driveway and the building in the back over there. I have no idea who he is, except for his shirt fell off his vehicle. He had his shirt on top of his vehicle and I brought it to him. He had cigarettes in it, and he's an old guy, you know, about 60, 65. He had cigarettes and I don't know what else in his wallet, in his shirt pocket, big, like warm, like farmer's button-up shirt. And this right over here, this all out here, that's a field. And this young lady up here knows, you know, my wife. I've known Carolyn for many, 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 many years. She has the same name as my wife. So that's not, I'm not doxing her, but she does have the same name, the same first name as my wife. We go sledding here sometimes, back down in there. Check out the lake. Heat, kind of still pretty. It's just 28 outside, so it's not that bad relative to around here. But you can see we got a little snow out of this, and I've seen a lot worse around here also. And should take it off and look around, check out the lake and all that. There's the lake. There's the lake. These are the lake houses. There's the lake. That's a cool house right there. They have the canoe or whatever over in there, where they bring it over there and go out and around. This is the causeway. Isn't that something? They would call this the causeway. And there's the lake. And we've been up in those woods. There's some cool places back there. There's actually like a path back there where wagons used to go, and they still have like the charcoal on the ground for some reason. I forgot why. Maybe you burnt coal and, you know, like rocks and stuff, so the wagons won't sink in the ground. And in certain places back there. So, oops. Sorry about my. Do I have this on super shake? I should. Maybe I do. See right there, there's magnified view of the lake out there. So I'm gonna close it right here and see if I can get up the driveway or not. And it would be fun. I should leave you guys up there. I'm probably gonna back up, but I want to pay attention to that. So over and out, guys. Thanks for watching. This is the lake cam.